Hello everyone, Hessa Mike Paris here. Hope you're doing well. As you know, this week the college was closed due to the recent coronavirus or COVID-19, whatever name it has. So from this point, if you heard, we're gonna deliver the course online and not in person. So for our course, Python Programming CSD 1233, we covered the majority of the concepts, even classes. The only thing left is graphical user interface. And according to the course outline and our teaching plan, we have assignments 7 and 8, which focus on the classes and how they integrate and work together as a project, and assignment 9 and 10, which is focused on graphical user interface or GUI. I'll make it teaching, like what I'm gonna do for the classes. On the time we have the class, I'll post a video teaching you the concept of the class. So I'll code same thing as I do in the class, but I'm not physically presented. The good news is you can go back and forth and watch it again and understand it even better. We're gonna have one quiz, 7 and 8. Those basically that quiz is also has to be covered. I announce when that quizzes has to happen during the time of the class. So for the assignments, is enough time to finish it off. I'll give you a week to do each of them. But for the quizzes, it has to scheduled in the class time. So it opens in a certain time, it closes in a certain time. If you missed it or you can't really do it, you missed the mark. So simple as that. There's no exception. We did this before even in class. So most of our course is basically online because we are in the IT course, IT field, and that doesn't really bother us at all. So what I do is I create a separate section to avoid the confusion and call it the online section, and I'll put every week, bi-weekly it goes through. For the final exam, I'm still thinking of, the final exam obviously would be online. Same thing, it has to be the same time. You log in, you do your quiz, you have one attempt to do, and pretty much that, and then the time is up. Like we did the quizzes and such in the class, pretty much the same format. So in our department, life is easier because the way I actually designed the course is mostly taking advantage of Moodle and technology. So not a big deal. But the only thing you're gonna make sure is I'll try to make as much as announcement possible that things goes online from next week in your class timetable. And for the quizzes and such, same thing. I'll make the announcement. Your job is to keep checking the Moodle and the announcement and check your emails and see what's going on. Pretty much that. From next week, the content comes up. I'll start the graphical user interface and give you your first assignment. Assignment 7 and 8 together for the classes. All right. Stay well. Be online on those times. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the forum. You can create a forum and take it from there. Thank you.